How to use Claude with Facebook ads full tutorial. Now, most people don't lose money on their ads because ads don't work. They lose money because their strategy is very weak. They have bad targeting, weak copy, no clear offer, and worst of all, they guess everything. Now, that is exactly where AI is going to change the game for you. Because when you combine a tool with Claude with the advertising power of Facebook Ads Manager, you are no longer in the guessing game. Okay, you're building structured, data driven campaigns. And in this tutorial, we're going to break down exactly how to use Claude to plan, create, and optimize Facebook ads in 2026. Not just theory, but actual workflow. So let's get one thing clear. Claude does not run your ads. Okay, that is not what it's going to do. Although, what it will do is it does something far more important. It's going to help you think. Because most people clicked on this video thinking, Claude is going to go ahead and run our ads manager. But obviously that is not the case. I just want to keep that in your brains. Now, it's going to help you structure campaigns, generate copy, analyze performance, and refine your strategy. Instead of starting a blank screen trying to write an ad, you can use Claude to generate, test, and improve ideas pretty quickly. Now, before you touch ads, you do need clarity. And this is where most campaigns fail. You go into your ad manager with quite a weak offer, and it's going to be an offer that not a lot of people are going to be famished towards. No one is going to come to that offer and be like, okay, this offer is something I can work with. So obviously you need to use Claude first. So what you're going to do for your ads manager is you're going to ask Claude for help. Okay. You ask it to help define your offer. What problem are you solving? Who is your target audience? Why should they care? Claude helps you structure this pretty clearly. And once your offer is strong, everything else becomes much easier. Now, actually, let's talk about targeting. So instead of guessing your audience, you can use Claude to analyze and define it. And you can ask Claude, who would benefit from this product? What are the pain points? What language do they use? And Claude can break down these demographics, interests, and behaviors. And you can then take that insight and apply it inside Facebook Ads Manager. And that basically makes your targeting more precise. So what we can do for Claude to help us with everything is we can do one simple thing. Go over to Customize. Once you go to Customize, you're going to go to Skills. Over here, you're going to click on the plus icon and you're going to click on Create Skill. And if you want to create the skill yourself, you can, but why do it when Claude is going to help you do it? So you're going to go ahead and write that in. Now, Claude is going to ask, what should your new skill do? Describe it in as much detail as you like, what it's for, what kind of requests should it trigger, and what kind of output do you want it to produce? So now this is where prompt engineering comes in. This is where you're going to want to write a very well-structured prompt. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and write, I want you to help me as a Facebook ads manager agent. Okay. Now, basically, I'm going to give you the, let's say, idea for the ad, and in some cases, even ask you for the idea. Okay. Now, once we write that in, now you're going to tell it what it needs to do. So you need to help me structure campaigns. Okay. We're going to write that in, then generate copy. Then you can go ahead with analyze performance, and you could go ahead and even have to ask it the general, you can go ahead and ask it for insights as well. So basically, asking all these things are going to refine your strategy. They're going to make your work better. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and refine strategy. We're going to write that in as well. Let's throw that in. Now you can, ask you to give you clarity, what are your problem solvings, etc. So right now I'm simply going to hit enter. And what Claude is going to do is it is going to study the prompt that I gave it. And obviously, according to that prompt, what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and, give itself a clear idea on how it's going to create a concept for the skill. Because what we're creating right now is kind of an agent that is going to go ahead and reply to my settings and everything. So what type of businesses or niches will you mostly be running ads for? So let's say I'm going to go with SaaS or digital products. What do you want the skill to help you with the most. Okay, so you have writing, ad and copy creatives, campaign structure and strategy, performance analysis and optimization. I'm going to go with all of the above equally. What output format do you prefer for campaign structures? So, you could go with any one on these. I'm going to go with both depending on the task. So once you put that through, as you can see, it says perfect. Let me write the skill now. Now, all you need to do is, pretty much go ahead and let it load through. Okay. What it's going to do is from here on out, it's going to go ahead and create the chatbot for you, or, more of a chatbot. For the better instance of a word, it's more of an agent that is going to do only what you tell it to do. Okay. Now you're simply going to load it and wait for it to create. And once it's created, we're going to see what we have. Now, as you can see, this is what we are provided. We have a whole skill manager right here. And we're not obviously going to read all of this because trust me, it is the correct one. It's a Facebook Ads Manager agent. So we're going to save the skill. And once we save it, we're simply move back here, close it, close that. Now, all you're going to need to do is you're going to hit slash. And as you can see right here, it's going to be your Facebook Ads Manager. So you're simply going to go ahead and, give it any idea. Let's go with something pretty formal like a rock event called, let's go with volume 0. Okay, that is simply all I'm going to give it. Now, once you write your idea in, as you can see, it says, love the brief. Let me think like a media buyer before I write a single word of copy. A few quick questions to make sure the campaign actually converts. So what's the goal of the campaign? Sell tickets, build awareness, or both? So let's go with that. Where is the event and what's the rough audience range? So let's go with local city, 18 to 25. Then, do you have any existing assets? So you could go with, yes, logo, poster, and visuals. Now, once you give it the actual context, what's going to happen from here is look at that. It's going to give you a whole campaign architecture for you to work with. Then it's going to give you the awareness and conversion. Moving on, you have the weekly runs. Then moving on, you have the curiosities, the ad copies, and a whole lot of more stuff. Creative direction, targeting recommendations, and a whole lot more. So this is how you can use Claude to run your Facebook Ads Manager and run it pretty flawlessly. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. And also do make sure to share this video around with your friends and family or anyone in need of this video because that truly helps me out. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is. Again, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, share this video around, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.